We're going to talk about proportional relationships and how we can make a graph, a table, an equation, and a rule, and find the unit rate of a proportional relationship. So, my situation is we are typing 731 words in 17 minutes. So what's really nice about this one is it gave us a little hint. We're looking for words per minute. So we're going to find the unit rate first. So to do that, if we're finding words per minute, then we're going to do the 731 words over the 17 minutes. And we can divide 731 divided by 17, and we get 43 words per minute. So that is our unit rate. We are going to use that to help us with all of the rest of it. Perfect. All right, from there, I like to go ahead and make my table. So I'm going to make a table. And it's bigger for right now, and I'll shrink it down again. Okay, so I always do minutes over words, or minutes and then words. This is my X, this is my Y. So if there was 0 minutes, I could type 0 words. So that's an important piece. It makes sense in the situation if I have 0 minutes, 0 words. So then 1 minute is 43 words. 2 minutes is 86. 3 minutes is 129. 4 minutes, 172. It's good to have like 4 or 5 pieces of information in your table. So I just kept adding 43 and I get my table. I could have picked any try that again. There we go. I could have picked any amount of minutes to fill out my table. I could have gone and done 17 minutes. I could even add it on here. Oops, let's do that. 17 was 731. So all of these are equivalent to our 43 words per minute. So that is what we are looking for. Now I can make a graph. And then to check, before I make my graph, to check all of these, I do 43 divided by 1, 86 divided by 2, 129 divided by 3, 172 divided by 4, 215 divided by 5, 731 divided by 17. All of those give us an answer of 43. If they did not give us an answer of 43, it would not be a proportional relationship. All right, back to my graph. My X is minutes. My Y is words. And this is 0 for both. This corner piece is 0. I'm just going to go up to 5, and then I'm going to count by 43s. along, I'm sorry, I'm going to go by minutes on the x-axis, and then I'm going to count by 43s along the y for my words, just so that it's nice and easy for me to get all the information there. 72 and 215. So, I know 0 is 0, 1 is 43, 2 is 86, 3 is 129, 4 is 172, that's a little off. And I understand that my graph is not perfect. It looks okay. I've plotted my points. I can put my line through it. Actually, it looks a little better than I thought it was gonna. I can tell that it's a straight line. It goes through. So I'm going to write some things I need to have in my graph. Straight line goes, finishing that off. It's a straight line and it goes through the origin, which is 0, 0. It always has to go through the origin, otherwise it is not proportional. And then the last thing I do is I write my rule, and my rule always looks like this. Rule is the same as equation. So y equals my unit rate times x. So we're going to put y equals, my unit rate is 43, so I have 43 times x, or y equals 43x. So those are all the different pieces of the proportional relationship. Having any one of those is going to help you determine if the relationship is proportional or not. So those are some examples of all 4 things.